Action.
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna go open give them.
Give them.
It's
It's okay. Well, this is what from the two girls are from New Zealand and
Canada.
Hungary.
No.
So Budapest and Wellington. Wellington. So have a close up on that. Let's have a close up.
Did you see the crown on the box? On the present, the purple present? Did you see it?
Yes. Okay.
Let's open it.
Yeah. Let's open it now.
I love opening toys. Especially opening toys. Can you read that?
Anybody want to read the brochure and the virus?
It's not a bonjour, it's a flyer.
Over there, on to read it.
Nobody got that. Move the table here. Okay. Let's open this and see where she comes from. You guess. You guess, cameraman.
Wow. We saw this before from the packing. One is from New Zealand, one is from Hungary.
I said don't see the box.
Show us the girl. This is a Kiwi girl from New Zealand.
Don't look at the box anymore, okay? Just throw it in the trash. Don't look at the box. Now guess where this is.
Hungary. The Hungarian girl is from Budapest.
It's Italian.
No, it's Hungary.
No, it's Italian.
It's different. The flag of Italy and Hungary is different.
But they look the same color.
Yeah, the color are the same, but the strips and orientation may be different. Let's have a close up. Ooh.
Excuse me, cameraman. Can I have it, please? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Now it's the surprise one.
This is a princess.
You want to open the surprise?
Yeah?
Oh, your t-shirt look good, right? Can you show us your t-shirt? You know who
I'll
this?
stand up and you'll see my head is chopped up.
You see your t-shirt? We see your t-shirt. Actually, this t-shirt is designed by Andy Warhol.
Andy Warhol.
Yeah, so famous. He is so
I'm trying
famous.
to get out.
And you know where's Andy Warhol from? He is from Pittsburgh.
Not a princess. She's very pretty and stuff. She's from the football team. Oh my gosh, it looks so.
It's okay.
She just broke the. She
Can we
has
fix
a
it?
football. She's ultra rare.
Oh.
I know.
It's a Spanish girl
Look at this. She's very
from
cool.
Spain,
She's on a
Barcelona,
different
Maria
bag.
Match. Yeah.
She's on a different bag of the others.
And just remember, the
She's
Kiwi
very
girl is called
cool.
Katie Kiwi, and the Hungarian girl is called Brigitte Budapest.
She has
And she is called Maria Match.
Ha.
It's a football. Oh, where's the football? Okay, bye football.
She has a ball. She's very cool. Like the ones that have the skateboard. These ones are very good. I love it. And her hair is actually different on the other different hairs. I think I got the princess box. I think he got the football team. Yay! Finally.
You put them together.
I like this one so much. She's gonna have her ball. She's very cool. Even if I had another team of football players, she will play with the same kid. And she'll hide her box. And this one. No, that's one. Okay. Bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up. Bye.